A 20-ton excavator is stuck deep in a mud pit, its arms stretching skyward as a final display of defiance. For those in the know, does this count as a water-damaged vehicle? Right now, finders keepers applies to whoever rescues it, so a Russian finders team quickly arrived on the scene. To ensure success, they gathered various tow trucks, bulldozers, excavators, tractors, and even a Soviet-era Gaz-66. After a 2-minute heated discussion, they decided to first have an excavator clear the mud in the ditch to find a load-bearing point for the winch cable. The captain claimed they spent $5,500 on different shackles to ensure a rigorous towing setup. Once the bottom of the mired machine was cleared, members fixed the winch cable to the lower stress point. Since the mud sticking to the body added weight, the team had to switch from a single line to a double-line winch to increase load capacity. It's fair to say that behind the fierce exterior of the fighting nation lies a very meticulous side. A truck loaded with logs arrived, and a member operated a hook to pile them at the mud pit's entrance. However, the swinging hook almost sent bystanders to an early grave, clearly showing a novice driver at the controls. The piled logs were lashed together to increase friction for the winch lines during the tow. Next, cables were fixed to the bulldozer's bucket, and the gas line was pulled out and secured, not sparing the tractors or dozers. The team utilized every vehicle at once. The winch lines snapped taut, and the rescue officially began. You can clearly feel the excavator in the pit slowly rising, while members constantly adjusted the tension points to nip any potential accidents in the bud. As every towing vehicle floored the gas for a final push, the mud-submerged excavator was successfully dragged onto the road. The captain gave a thumbs up to celebrate the victory. So what do you all think of this rescue?